Hey guys, it's your girl Renee and I am in the streets. So I wanted to tell you, deal alert, deal alert. You know when I come on and I'm popping in from my regular scheduled video days. I wanted to let you know that if you have an Aldi's in your area, I want you to get to Aldi's because they have marked down a lot of their stuff in their store. I purchased some hamburger meat and I purchased some ribs because you know the 4th is coming up, so you know we all gonna be outside in this heat roasting like a peanut. But I wanted to let you know, see, I got my Aldi's receipt and I paid, let me take my glasses off so I can see. So the first thing I brought was some hamburger meat and it was regularly $14.01. You hear me? $14.01. So it was half off. And no, she gave it to me for 80% off. Woohoo! And she combined it. Okay, because they were supposed to be half off, so she gave me $7.01 off. So instead of it being 14, I got it for $7.01. And then she took an extra, and the other hamburger meat I got was $2.76. So she took $5 and some change off, and then she gave me an extra $2.93 off of the total. And then I purchased some pork ribs, some St. Louis spare ribs, and they were $6.08. So I got these ribs for and they were half off, so I got them for like $3 and some change, and I've got 3 of those, so $3 and some change per ribs, y'all. Come on now, we hit the jackpot. So, and they had all kinds of stuff like chicken, they had pork chops, they had their salmon was marked down, they had some of the shredded meat, you know, that you make like if you're doing like sub sandwiches and stuff. So I'm telling you guys, if you have an Aldi's in your area, do not sleep on Aldi's because they have certain days that they mark down their meat. I haven't figured out them days yet, but I know it has to be in the morning because it is 10. I got in there maybe like at 10 o'clock and it's 10:35 now. So I wasn't in there long because I needed to get in, get out, because I was just at Aldi's the other day picking up a few things. But what I was looking for was those candle books and the vases that were made out of ceramics, and they had like the book covers, like you remember the book Little Woman? They had the actual book formed out of like a ceramic vase, and that looked so cute. And then they had the coordinating candle that was the same book sleeve, but it was just a candle in the middle. And I was like, and I think they were like $7, let's just say $8 for the candle, 14, just say 15 for the vase. So I was looking for that. So I'm gonna go and try to go to another Aldi's. I don't know if I'm gonna do it tomorrow or the next day, but I'm gonna go to another Aldi's because I need to see if I can snag one of them books, you guys. I need one of them books. So if you guys have one of those, let me know what you think about it. Is it worth me getting out there and trying to figure out doing the hunt to try to find one of those books? But I will show you exactly what I purchased from Aldi's as far as the ribs and the hamburger meat when I get home, because I'm in these streets. I got to go to one more spot and then I'm heading home, because now I got to find some spot in my freezer. Because if you have a giant eagle or a giant in your area, they have their corn 8 for $2. I like to shuck my corn right there. It's fresh corn. You just have to shuck it. Well, at least I do, because I don't want to bring all that waste and all that silk stuff that comes off the corn on the cob in my house. So they have a trash can there. I just shuck mine, and I put it in a bag. So I was able to get 16 ears of corn. That's a yellowish whitish corn for $4. So that's not a bad deal. And then they said next week, instead of it being 8 for $2, they're gonna have it 10 for $2. So you know, your girl, this is my stock up time to get corn and put it in my freezer, so I'll have it for the following season, because I'm working on the last crop of corn that I purchased from them last year. So now I had to go and repurpose and refill that stash of corn, so I'll have it for the next year. So that's how Miss Renee rolls it, because I mean, come on, 8 corns, fresh corn ears, and they're pretty big and fat, because I dig through the whole pile, child. Never go and just pick up the first corn you see. Go ahead and move stuff around, and they have the big plump juicy ones at the bottom, and I always pull the top of the corn open, because sometimes they're not all the way developed at the top, so I pull it down so I can see where the good corn starts and where the bad corn. But Giant usually feels pretty good with their corn on the cob, so look for that too. So if I see any other great deals while I'm out here in the street, because this is your girl Renee, I'm your Roman reporter of these streets, and finding you all these fantastic deals that I am finding right here at Aldi's. Let me show you to prove to you. See, I'm in the parking lot at Aldi's, and people are coming in there. One man, he says he wish he could buy some of them ribs because he's the only one that eats them. And I tell him, well, shoot, just buy one slab for you, and the rest of your family can eat whatever meat they eat. Don't deny yourself, because for that price, child, that's a stock up price. So I'm telling you, sales alert. Sales alert, ding ding, sales alert, whoop whoop, sales alert, whoop whoop, Aldi's and Giant for this week. All right, guys, let me get to my last store, because this heat is starting to rev up, and your girl do not want to be out here roasting like a peanut when it gets really, really hot, okay? All right, guys, I'll see you when I get home. All right, guys, I made it home, and I wanted to show you the ground beef that I picked up from Aldi's. See, these were $14.01, and I got them for like $7 and something. And then this one was 13, just say 14. I got this one for 7, but then she took some additional money off of it. And then these are the ribs that I was talking about. This one was, I have one that's like $8, and this one is $9.76. So, and it says 30% off. So, I'm telling you, if you have an Aldi's, and these are the Smithfield St. Louis style pork spare ribs. So if you guys have an Aldi's in your section, I'm telling you, you need to get down there, because you can't go wrong when you have meat like this and they've got it half off. You can't beat this deal. I'm telling you, cannot beat this deal. So go check out your Aldi's so you can score you guys some good looking hamburger meat and some beautiful pork ribs, child. Pork ribs, come on now, come on now. And barbecue season is right around the corner, and you know, child, my husband gonna be up there baking like a peanut. It ain't gonna be me. I'm gonna be inside with the AC rolling, and I am going to be chopping, dicing, making my sweet potatoes, my macaroni and cheese, the corn I got from Giant. Now don't slip on that sale either, so go on over there and get your corn on the cob. And let me show you, I went into Dollar General really quick, and this is what I found. Okay guys, this is what I found at Dollar General. Remember how I used to make those homemade butters? So I brought the little silicone, these are ice trays, but I'm going to make me some Star butter. They had, and plus they had them for the 4th of July. So they had them in all the cute colors, red, white, and blue. So I just got a light blue and I got a dark blue. Woohoo! Isn't that a pretty, gorgeous blue? Look at that. And they were only $1, and it's a ice tray. That's all it is. And I like it because it's silicone, and I can pop this out, and my butters and stuff will come out nice and clean and looking good. Woohoo! So your girl will be making some of these soon. And if I've made other videos that has me showing you how to make the butter, homemade butter, right out of the heavy cream. So I'm waiting for the heavy cream to go on sale so I can go and pick up a couple of cartons so I can start making me some of my homemade butter, baby. And you know, with that French tarragon, I'm going to make some with some French tarragon. So I cannot wait to try that because I think I'm loving that French tarragon. Q, you were so right, girl, about hooking me up and telling me about French tarragon and how much you loved it. So now I have fallen in love with French tarragon, and I'm always going to have some French tarragon in my garden because my shirt says I am living my best life. Look at this. And today your girl is living her best life. All right, guys, I just wanted to show you. Oh, and let me show you what I picked up at Home Depot. Let me show you. I went to Home Depot because I need another basil plant, and I found this one and this one. Hold on. Let me show you what it looked like. And I found this basil right here, and this one looks really, really good. And it's by Bonnie's, and I think I paid like $4 for it. So I had to give it some water. Look at the roots. Roots look really good, but I had to add some water and stuff to this basil because this basil was crying out for some assistance. But that's what I got. I got my basil. Excuse my kitchen. I picked up that basil because I want to put this one in front of my chocolate sprinkles because Q, I finally got some yellow flowers on my chocolate sprinkle, and I needed a basil to go in front of it before I put the rocks. And this basil smells so good. I love, love, love the smell of basil. And it looks sad, but I put water on it, like I said, and it perked it up really good. So now I'm just going to pop off some of these basil leaves. And then I'm going to just plant it out there when it get a little cooler. I got to do it in the evening because our heat wave is upon us, and I do not want to be out there sweating. So I'll do it in the evening, and I'll keep you guys informed of how my chocolate sprinkles are going. Woohoo! And I'm still so stoked about how I was able to harvest this zucchini, this yellow zucchini. And it started, I don't know if this yellow zucchini is supposed to let it turn green, or did I pick it too soon? But girl, regardless of that, I'm still going to eat this because this thing was massive. And I think if I would have waited till this bad boy turned green all the way to the bottom, this thing would have been too big, and it would have been too tough, and I wouldn't be able to eat it. So I'm happy that I picked it. I was able to get 2 of them. Woohoo! And you guys saw me eating my sugar snap peas. I love that. And later on this evening, I'm going to go back out there and I'm going to get some more sugar snap peas. Alright guys, I'm going to end this video. Have a wonderful day. Have a blessed day. And Miss Renee will see you in the next video. Alright you guys, have a wonderful day and happy 4th of July. And if I can, I'll pop back and show what we got grilling on the grill outside. Alright, I hope you guys are staying cool and don't go out in that sun unless you absolutely have to. You hear me? Stay inside and enjoy the AC. Alright guys, take care. Bye-bye.